Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust maximum zoom level on the iPhone. So, today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it's all going to work the same, even if you are doing this on the iPad. So, now let's toggle zoom. I have the zoom enabled in the window, and as you can see, this is my maximum zoom right now. Let's open the settings, quick settings of a zoom. Now, as you can see, this is the maximum zoom that I can get. And maybe this is not enough for me, or even not enough for your needs, and you want the zoom to be a little bit stronger. So if you want to set it, you want to go to the settings, then go to the accessibility, this icon right here. Then you want to go to the zoom, and once you're here, you want to go down, and here you are going to find the option called maximum zoom level. So here is ×5 right now, and you can set it to the 15 times, and this is going to be the maximum zoom level that you can get. And now, if I'm going to zoom in, as you can see, it's the same as before, but let's open the settings and make the zoom as much as I can. And now, as you can see, the zoom is really strong. It makes everything just bigger, a lot of bigger, that even that I barely can fit the specific one letter of this text in my windowed zoom. Also, I can make it a little bit smaller, so now it should be about ×7.5, so still it is bigger than it was before. Let me show you here with the Photos app. As you can see, it is bigger. To adjust it, 1, 2, 3, quick settings, and now as you can see, it is normal, and now I can zoom in to get it more into my needs. So this is it. I can show you again how to do it. No, oh sorry, get out of the zoom. Settings, then accessibility, this icon right here. So just swipe down a little bit, go to the accessibility, zoom, and on the bottom, you are going to find maximum zoom level, and you can set it to ×1.2 or just ×15, as you can see right now. I'm going to leave it ×10 because it is just enough for me. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!